Good morning, everyone. Today I am going to start with the topic stereochemistry of amines. Now, this is the structure of amines. Consider the structure of ammonia, NH, and having the lone pair or a nitrogen. In case of ammonia, the nitrogen atom present in sp3 state of hybridization, and this nitrogen forms 3 sigma bond with this 3 hydrogen atom. The sp3 hybrid orbital of nitrogen forms 3 sigma bond with the 1s orbital of the hydrogen, forms a 3 sigma bond, and one sp3 orbital consists of this lone pair. The lone pair present in the one of the sp3 orbital of the nitrogen. The H and H bond angle in case of ammonia is 107 degree. The structure of the ammonia is nearly equal to the tetrahedral one, like methane, but not a tetrahedral, nearly tetrahedral. Nearly a tetrahedral. This is the ammonia. But when we consider the primary and secondary amine R NH2 and R2NH. For example, primary amine, the amines which having the chiral center shows the optical isomerism. What is optical isomerism? The isomerism in which the compounds shows the non-superimposable mirror images of each other is called as optical isomerism, or the enantiomer which having the mirror images of each other, non-superimposable mirror images. But in case of nitrogen, the primary amine, consider the example of primary amine CH3, H lone pair. This is a primary amine. The nitrogen in case of primary amine, which is attached to one methyl group, 2 hydrogen and 1 lone pair. Lone pair considered as one of the group to which we assign the priority according to the Ingold and Prelog method, that is according to the RS configuration. But in case of primary amine, nitrogen attached to 2 hydrogen atom, all the 4 groups are not different, methyl, lone pair and 2 hydrogen. But when we consider the example of secondary amine, that N, consider secondary amine CH3, C2H5, and this is a hydrogen and this is a lone pair. This is a mirror image. This, in case of secondary and tertiary amine, all the groups are different. This is the group, methyl group, which is present below the plane. The dotted line shows the group which is present below the plane. The darker line shows the group, that ethyl group present above the plane, that is above the plane, like this, above the plane. And the hydrogen is present on the plane. And the lone pair is also considered as one of the groups. That there are 4 different groups. which having the priority. In case of secondary amine, all the groups are different. Therefore, it shows the optical isomerism. If it is a D form, dextro form, when we place the mirror in front of it, it shows its mirror images like this, and lone pair CH3 C2H5 and CH3 C2H5, and this is a H. This is the mirror. If we consider this dextro, then it is a Leo. If we consider this Leo, it is considered as a dextro. These are the mirror images of each other, non-superimposable mirror images. Therefore, these are the enantiomers of each other. Therefore, secondary and tertiary amine, which having the chiral center, shows the optical isomerism. Tertiary amine can also be shown because all the groups are different. Consider the example of tertiary amine, that CH3. Consider this one, C2H5. Consider this C3H7. This is a lone pair. This is a tertiary amine in which all the groups are different. CH3, C2H5, CH3 and lone pair. Lone pair also assign the priority. One of the priority group. Methyl, ethyl and propyl and lone pair. These are the 4 groups. This tertiary amine also shows the optical isomerism. Secondary amine also shows, but primary amine do not show because it does not have any 4 different groups. It does not show the 4 different groups are equal, but it do not have all groups different. It having the 2 hydrogen same. Therefore, it does not show the optical isomerism. But when we consider that lone pair, consider this type of CH3 C2H5 H. The lone pair present over a nitrogen atom in case of secondary amine, which continuously undergoes into the fluctuation. The fluctuating rate of this lone pair is near 10 raised to power 11 per second. H C2H5 and CH3. That is continuous fluctuation. These amines, which the lone pair present in the secondary amines, continuously undergoes into the fluctuation around both the side of the central atom nitrogen, and looks like a umbrella in the storm. Umbrella in the storm. See, umbrella in the storm. आपण छत्री जी उडते ना जेव्हा वारा येतो त्याच्यामध्ये जी छत्री उलटी होते त्या प्रकारे तशाच प्रकारची ही लोन पेअर या सेकंडरी अमाईनमध्ये असते आणि ती कंटिन्युअस फ्लक्च्युएशनमध्ये जाते, कधी या याच्यात असते तर कधी या याच्यात. म्हणून जर हे मिक्सचर असेल डी आणि एल ते आयसोमर आपल्याला इझिली आयसोलेट करता येणार नाही का की त्याचा फ्लक्च्युएटिंग जो रेट आहे हा 10⁻11 पर सेकंद, एका सेकंदाला 10⁻11 असतो. म्हणजे आपल्याला आपली नजर बी लपकणार नाही तेवढ्या वेळेत तो फ्लक्च्युएट होऊन जातो. म्हणून ते दोन्ही फॉर्म एकमेकापासून वेगळे करणं थोडं कठीण आहे. दॅट दिस इज द स्टिरियोकेमिस्ट्री ऑफ द secondary amine, tertiary amine, that amines. Thank you.